Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope all are good. So today let me start GK Unit E Sports, chapter number 24, Cricket 2020. 2020 cricket was originally introduced by England and Wales Cricket Board in 2003 for professional inter-country competition. In a 2020 game, the two teams have a single innings each, which is restricted to a maximum 20 overs. Find out how much you know about the 2020 cricket matches by choosing the correct answer. Number 1. What is the maximum number of overs a bowler can bowl in 2020 cricket? There is a 4 over. C. Okay. Who made the first World Cup hat trick against Bangladesh? Sohail Brett. The 2014 2020 World Cup was won by Sri Lanka. Pakistan won the 2009 2020 World Cup by 8 wickets. Who were the runner-up? Sri Lanka. Which team won the 2014 ICC Women's World 2020? Australia. Number 6. A 2020 cricket match is played with 20 overs in each innings. What is the duration of each inning? 75 minutes. Okay. So, ये तो थी क्रिकेट की बात. Okay, so the chapter is end here. Let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 25. True champions. True champions. Any man can win when things go his way. It's the man who overcomes adversity that is the true champion. Do you know these true champions? Pick your answer from the clue box. To number 1, paralyzed with polio when she was a child, she proved that one can overcome obstacles and succeed through courage and determination. Her 1960 Olympics performance of winning 3 gold medals remains a standout performance in history of the Olympics. So she is Wilma Rudolph. Number 2, in 2001, he became the youngest person ever to climb Mount Everest. He lost 5 fingers due to forced bite. His first attempt to climb the mountain, however, she did not hold him back from making yet another very brave attempt. So he is Temba Tishri Sherpa. She was a national level volleyball player after being pushed out of a running train by thieves in 2011. One of her legs had to be amputated below the knee. Okay, she is the first female amputee to climb Mount Everest. So she is Arunima Sinha. Number 4, a former Major League Baseball pitcher, he played the game despite being born without a right hand. He was honored as the United States flag bearer at the Pan American Games. So he is Jim Abbott. So the chapter number 25 is end here. Let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 26. Sportsman. A sportsman is a man who engages in sport, especially in some open air sport as hunting, fishing, racing, etc. So, identify these sports people whose distinguished contributions have made them legends. Number 1. Flawless on the clay court, she won 2 Australian Open, 7 French Open and 3 Wimbledon and 6 US Open singles titles. So his Chris Evert Mills. He won gold medals in all 7 swimming events in which he participated at the 1972 Olympics in Munich, Germany. So, who is he? Number 2, Mark Spitz. Number 3, the first Asian to win the Wimbledon Junior Singles title. He was the world number 1 tennis player in 1960. So, this is Ramanathan Krishnan. Number 4, he ranks among the top welterweights and weights of all time and was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame in 1990. Sugar Ray Robinson. Number 5, one of England's most successful opening batsmen. He played 108 test matches, scoring 8,114 runs at an average of 47.72. Geoffrey Boycott. Okay, so chapter number 26 is here. So let's come and let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 27. This is the chapter number 27, martial art. The word martial art is derived from Mars. The Roman god of war. Martial art refers to the various systems of training for combat sports. Read each of the descriptions and name the martial art. Number 1, an Olympic event. Its name means the gentle way. This Japanese art form focuses primarily on the throwing and ground fighting techniques. This is judo. Number 2, this is a Russian martial art and sport. The name itself is an acronym. It has roots in judo and styles of wrestling. This is Sambo. This one. A standing sport that combines styles of boxing and kicking. It's often practiced for self-defense and general fitness. This is kickboxing. Number 4, this Brazilian martial art combines martial arts and dance. Its bouts are accompanied by lively music and allow the fighter to show off their skill. This is capoeira. Number 5, the national sport of South Korea stands for art of kicking. and punching. It's known for its striking and athletic kicks. This is Taekwondo. Okay, so the chapter number 27, and here let's begin the chapter number 28. Athletics. जो athletes होते हैं, this one. Athletics is an exclusive collection of sporting events that involve competitive running, jumping, and walking. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Which of these is not a throwing event? Which of these is not a throwing event? Throwing मतलब फेंकने का. Javelin, discus, javelin and hurling. Which is this not a throwing event? Because discus is used for throwing and javelin also. Which of these not a throwing event? अच्छा, throwing event कौन सा नहीं है? Which of these is not a throwing event? This is hurdling. See, because discus also throwing and javelin also दोनों फेंकने की चीज है. Which athletic event is Vikas Gowda of India most well known for discus throw? Which event was once known as hop, step and jump? So this is pole vault, triple jump and relays. What is this? B. Triple jump. Which of the following athletic events was Sergei Bubka well known for? So the pole vault. Which of these is a team sport in athletics? This is shot put. Team sport. Shot put. Number 6. Which athletics event combines long distance running with hurdling? Each runner being required to clear 7 water jumps and 28 hurdles in a 3000 meter course. So this is biathlon relay race. Which event combines long distance running with hurdling? Each runner being required to clear 7 water jump and 28 hurdles in 3000 meter course. This is biathlon. Question number 4. Which of the following athletic events was Sergei Bubka well known for? Pole vault. Which of these is a team sport in athletics? This is a relay race. Which athletics event combines long distance running with hurdling, each runner being required to clear 7 water jumps and 28 hurdles in a 3000 meter course? This is marathon. And now number 7. In which athletic event does the athlete take a running jump to attain height? This is height jump. It is a height jump. So the chapter is end here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 29. Adventure sports. Chapter number 29. Adventure sports. Adventure sports include everything from extremely dangerous, life-threatening sports to more common traveling activities. Name these adventure sports. Pick your answer from the clue box. So, these pictures, this is paragliding. This is. Number 2, this is ice climbing. Okay, now number 3, this is sandboarding. Number 4, skateboarding. Surfing. This is surfing. Subway surfer होता है ना, surfing. Okay, so the number 5 is bungee jumping. Yes, this is bungee jumping. So the number 6 is skateboarding, skating. Okay, the next one, this is kayaking, this one. Okay, and the last one is 8, skiing. Double I-INS. Okay, so the chapter number 29 is end here. Let's begin the next chapter. All chapters and topics are covered here. I hope you all are very understanding this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.